Hello? Are you still believing in Nigeria? Are you still believing that this country called Nigeria is going to work? You are still dreaming. My people, come and watch this video so that you will not say Nigeria is not. You are still believing, dreaming that this country called Nigeria is going to work tomorrow. My people, this video is for you. But if you are this type that always condemn evil, if you are this type that would always stand by the side of the light, not by the side of the darkness, this video is for you. Come and watch it live and direct and see how the bank, the financial institute, are scamming their customer by themselves. The institution that's supposed to safeguard their finances are the one being responsible in scamming and defrauding their customers by themselves. Come and watch it live and direct so that you will not be told. It has been explained. This barrister have exposed the evil atrocities of the Nigeria financial. You see how their money have been missing in daily basis in different strategies. My people, come and watch it live and direct. I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to waste much of your time. Come and watch this video live and direct. The truth have been told. Let's watch this video. I'll be right back.
The new dimension of fraud that is happening in our nation. This time around, we are not talking about Yahoo boys. We are not talking about the institution of government and the financial institutions. Now, this one, they are now using judiciary and the police and the staff of the bank to commit fraud. Now, how do this fraud operate? I will use the one that has to do with my clients as a case study. If you have money in your account and probably somebody paid money into your account, probably the person purchased property from you, you people did everything, he paid you, the person can go back to police, telling police that he mistakenly paid the money into your account. And police will now negotiate with them, negotiate with the bank, look for a particular court, in quote, magistrate court, and get court order to collect that money back. My client, Mr. Godwin Emmanuel, operates a current account with Access Bank. So all of a sudden, he discovered that he cannot have access to his account anymore. He contacted his account officer. His account officer said they placed PND in your account. So he asked what happened. He said police placed PND. There is another placing PND. He said what actually happened? He said I don't know. All his effort to know what actually transpired proves abortive. He decided to consult us, myself as a lawyer. I wrote to the bank, no response. So I decided to file action against the bank through originating processes, asking court to order the bank to lift that PNG on his account. So lo and behold, upon serving the Access Bank now in reply filed their counter, saying that they placed that order based on police the court order issued by a magistrate court in Maraba to the police to place PNG in that account. So when I saw the counter affidavit with the purported court order, I draw attention of my client. So when we carefully review the order, we discover that the account number which they use to place the PNG is not our client's account number. That one is the first one. So, and we also discovered that they went to Maraba Magistrate Court to obtain that order via ex parte, through ex parte. And we know that when you have motion ex parte, you should get your motion on notice ready so that when court granted it interim, you will now serve the other party to put them on notice so that for you to hear the motion on notice. But that they never did. They obtained the purported court order on the 2nd of June. So when we received it, we now approach the court with a motion on notice. We serve the Access Bank, we serve the police. So when we went to the court, we argue our case. They were not in court, they did not file any counter. So after looking at our our affidavit and our written submission, court, and discovered that our affidavit was not challenged in any way, court set aside that order. And they ordered Access Bank to allow our client to have access to his account. That was on the 2nd day of November. Now, on the following day, when the order was ready, that was on the 3rd, we mobilized the core bailiff to go and serve Access Bank and serve the police. After serving Access Bank refused to comply with that order. So all our effort proves abortive to an extent that I have to put a call to the lawyer representing them. So the lawyer said that I should send the order to him, which I did. He said that he has advised them. So we are looking for a way to commence contempt proceedings against the manager of Access Bank. So reaching on the 6th, our client now told me that they have lifted the PND and moved out 20 million naira from his account. So I said, what happened? I now contacted their lawyer again. Then I said, am I sure? I said, yes. Even my client has even shown me the transaction. He said, when there was the 20 million naira removed, I said it was removed on that day. That particular day, they lifted the PND. So now we now discovered that these are syndicates. So when we served them that court order on the 3rd of November, the bank now started notifying the police that so that the police should go and get another court order. So we learned that they moved around magistrate, all the courts. Nobody agreed to give them. They now went to Masaka Magistrate Court and bargained with the magistrate. And the magistrate now gave them the order. They did not disclose to the magistrate that there is a substantive suit. And the magistrate did not ask them, go and put these people on notice. The magistrate now gave them the order that they should remove that 20 million naira from our client's account. Now, upon receiving the order, Access Bank, being a party in the crime, complied immediately with the order, because that order was got on the 6th of November, and they complied with it immediately on that 6th. So they pulled out the 20 million naira. Now what we are now hearing, though we have not confirmed, that is where the investigative journalism will now come in, because we have written a letter to ICPC, to ESCC, to CBN, to Attorney General of the Federation, to CJ Nasarawa State, to Chief Registrar Nasarawa State, to Director of Magistrate Nasarawa. We are written to all and sundry, asking them to investigate this matter. That 20 million naira that left, to which account? Who are the beneficiaries? That is the starting point. Then two, also, why should the lawyer to Access Bank now has also, when we raise the issue to the court, that the account they used to place PND in our client's account is was the wrong account number. It's not our client's account. The lawyer now filed a counter saying that it was a mistake. They deposited in affidavit that it was a mistake. That one is the talk of another day. But what we are now saying is that we need to bring it to attention before things get wrong. Because now my client is a victim. One other DV is also a victim. That one, I think his own is they said they collected 70 million naira. The other one, Anazodo, or the other one, that one his own is 120 million naira. So now another person just called me from Otako. He's a trader in Otako. His own same thing. His own is also going on now. So this is what they are doing in the bank now, using police. Now we have also what information we got is that when a police officer was confronted, he said that IG sent him. That is acting, that SP Bologi, that IG sent him. So we are now accusing IG that he's using his office to commit fraud. So it is now left for him to come and explain how IG sent him. The one of a magistrate court in Nasarawa, in Masaka, that one also, he said that he's acting on behalf of the CJ and the CR. So he's now the agent of the CJ, Chief Justice of Nasarawa State, and the Chief Registrar of Nasarawa State, whom he's working for. Probably is his agent. They are using him as a victim of fraud. So it is now left for them to come and explain. So that is our position now. Why we are saying this thing is that it happens to these people now. If it happens to that Okada man in one village, probably his 100,000 naira, nobody will be there for him. So why these people was able to raise it is because they have the capacity to engage the services of a legal practitioner. So that's why we are asking that you people should ask question. What happened? How can an access bank, whose chairman is a legal practitioner, the senior advocate of Nigeria, will allow them to use an order containing a wrong account to defraud an innocent customer? So that is why we are here. Thank you for your audience.
Have you seen it? You see, this is exactly what we have been telling you, that Nigeria cannot work. Imagine the financial institution that's supposed to safeguard their finances are now be the one scamming and defrauding their customers. What is this tell you? It tells you that Nigeria have failed completely. There is no remedy. There's nothing left in this country. I keep surprising this our brother P2B, who is going around disgracing himself, telling the people that they should vote him to become the next president of this country. That in next 4 years that is going to transform this country to become the United Arab of Africa. My people, you're just wasting your time. What a remedy, what miracle, what can it done? If some people have destroyed this country for complete 50-something years, then what is he going to do? Which miracle is he going to perform in next 4 years to change the narrative of this criminality in this country? Which area, which way should we begin to talk? Is it by criminality, kidnapping, unaliving innocent people? Is it by defrauding? Is it by corruption? Which area? Name them. The way to know a failed state. Nigeria have been destroyed completely. Nigeria is an expired entity. It's an expired country. If you are not seeing the evidence that Nigeria cannot work, are you not feeling the heat? If you are not feeling the heat, are you not hearing the noise? If you are not hearing the noise, my people, is your life, is your soul not telling you the truth that this country cannot work? The people that are supposed to be protecting you are the people responsible in unaliving you in daily basis. The evidence is all over the world. The evidence is clear. If you are still dreaming that this country is going to work tomorrow, you are just deceiving yourself. Yes, if you are still being confused how Nigeria is going to work tomorrow, and you are so ambitious in protecting your business, forgetting to do the needful, you are wasting your time. The only solution left is disintegration. Yes, call for referendum. Let everyone decide where to belong to, because the country cannot work anymore. The country is not working anymore. The country is not workable for a common man anymore. It is only favorable for all these politicians, the criminals. The criminals that are extorting the resources and flying it overseas. These are the people benefiting the country, because that is only tactics that the terrorists and the criminals and the corruption elites can use to extort a failed nation. Nigeria is one. My people, the earlier you begin to tell yourself the truth is better for you. My people, nothing left. Nigeria is gone. Nigeria have been doomed. Believe in me. If you are of this type bias, supporting this evil, my people, is for you. By the time everything comes in conclusion, it will land on top of you. Because you are one of them. My people, I call me peace. Yes, share this video. Spread this video for me. There are a lot of people out there need this message. Yes, see you in my next video.